What's up mga Kap? It's me again, Kap Joey po mga Kap. Kumusta na naman kayo? I want you to comment below po mga Kap, nasaan na kayo sa iyong AI marketing agency. But before we begin po mga Kap on this usual video that I'm always creating content for you, I want to have a recap po mga Kap that when you are starting or planning to start your AI marketing agency, you need to create content. So if you're creating content mga Kap and you want to show it to me, you want to share it with me, feel free to comment your content here on the comment section. Because I love to watch and comment on your content. Always remember po mga Kap, huwag po kayong mahihiya. Because people are not watching because of your flaws. Hindi sila nanonood kasi hinihintay ka nilang magkamali. And this is the thinking when I'm doing a content. Ay baka mag-comment sila na napakapangit ng boses ko. O baka mag-comment sila na mali yung grammar ko. Ay baka sobra naman lakas ng boses ko. These are the hesitation na naririnig mo sa isip mo when you're doing content. But you know what po mga Kap? When I'm doing content po mga Kap, when I'm doing some videos, live streaming, hindi ko iniisip yung sasabihin nila. But ang iniisip ko is ano yung mga informations that is very valuable for me that I love to share with everyone. Think about the valuable informations that you want to share with them, because people are not listening to your flaws, but they're listening to the informations that you're sharing. That's the reason why they follow you, because of the information you share to your followers. So the reason why po mga Kap, for this video, what I want you is to create valuable informations for your followers. You need to create a content that is valuable for everyone so that when they watch it, they say, wow, eto yon. Eto yung i-follow ko kasi binibigyan ako ng aha moment. Ito yung i-follow ko dahil binibigyan ako ng opportunity to start my own business. I-follow ko si social media expert by Kap Joey because nag-share siya ng valuable content. So if you are creating content right now, as advised by Kap Joey, I want you to remember this po mga Kap. You need to provide a valuable information to your followers. Dapat valuable informations. Because when you are sharing valuable information po mga Kap, most of your followers, hindi nila nakikita yung mali mo, but they will see your value. So if you are starting content creator, you're starting your marketing agency, as I advise ko po mga Kap, content is the king. I want you to start right now. Huwag kayong mahiya. Kap, hindi ko alam ang pagsasabi ko sa camera. Buti ka pa, alam mo ang pagsasabi mo. Or alam mo yung isi-share mo, di ba? This is the secret po mga Kap. Number 1, go to the AnswerThePublic. Type, how to start a marketing agency. Boom! You will see po mga Kap, a lot of topics that is commonly searched. The more na orange po yan mga Kap, the more searchable yan sa Google. Ibig sabihin po mga Kap, if you go to the AnswerThePublic website and type how to start a marketing agency, you will see there frequently asked questions. And you can make a video about this. So I'll just give you a rundown demo po mga Kap. Number 1, go to the AnswerThePublic. Type how to start your marketing agency. Then once you type your how to start your marketing agency, you will see a lot of questions there. And then I want you to copy one of yung pinaka-orange dyan. Because when it's yung pinaka-orange dyan, ibig sabihin po mga Kap, yan yung frequently asked question on Google. Ito yung trending. Ito yung viral. So copy that one po mga Kap. Go to the ChatGPT, copy and paste and say, hey, ChatGPT, I want you to create a 5 days topic for this one, and it will show you. Then you say, this topic number 1, I want you to create a video script. then you have two options. You can grab your phone and read this content, or you have another option to translate it on your own language. At least you have a guide on what topic to discuss. Or the third option is use the Heygen. Copy, text, video like this.
From here, I'll just copy this one and then just for this demo, then go to the Heygen and I'll just use my avatar here and I'll just do this and then
Welcome to OneFunnel's webinar on how to start your AI marketing agency. I'm Cap Joey, the founder of OneFunnel. Get ready to dive deep into the strategies,
and then so that's the English one. You can do also another language, which is I'll say Chinese, all right? And then apply to the
欢迎参加卷 Funnel 的网络研讨会，如何启动您的人工智能营销机构？我是 Cap Joey 卷 Funnel 的创始人，准备好深入研。
Pwede mo rin gawing Chinese. Pwede mo rin gawing English, di ba? So, at least you get the idea. But again, mga kap, that's my content for today. If you are watching right now, make a content. Content is the key. If you want to start your AI marketing agency, do a content. Maraming salamat po mga kap, and I'm signing out.